In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the watchlist on eToro. To get started, log into your eToro account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main platform dashboard, where you can access the different tools eToro offers for browsing and monitoring markets. From there, look over to the left sidebar and click on Watchlist. This is the section designed to help you keep track of assets you're interested in, without needing to search for them every time. It's especially useful if you want to monitor several markets in one place. Once you're inside the watchlist area, you can begin adding assets. You can either click Add to Watchlist or use the search bar to find a specific asset you want to monitor. The search feature is helpful if you already know what you're looking for, while the watchlist button is a quick way to start building your list. Next, select the stock, ETF, cryptocurrency, or any other available asset you want to add. eToro supports a variety of asset types, so your watchlist can include a mix of markets depending on your interests and investing goals. After opening the Assets page, click the Watchlist or Add to Watchlist icon. This saves the asset to your personal watchlist so you can easily return to it later. It's a simple step, but it makes ongoing tracking much more convenient. Now, return to the watchlist section to see all the assets you're currently tracking. This gives you a centralized view, which is great for staying organized and quickly checking market activity. As you review your watchlist, you'll be able to see each asset's current price, daily change, and other available market information. This allows you to get a quick snapshot of performance without opening every asset individually. It's a practical way to stay informed, especially if you're following multiple instruments at once. If you want more detail, click on any asset in your watchlist. This will open its dedicated page where you can view the chart, read news, and explore trading options. That makes the watchlist more than just a list. It becomes a starting point for deeper research and decision-making. At any time, if there's an asset you no longer want to follow, you can remove it from your watchlist. Keeping your list updated can help reduce clutter and make it easier to focus on the assets that matter most to you. And that's how to use the watchlist on eToro. Thanks for watching.